Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Tamara. Now, to be honest, I have this wig that I had forever and I have never used it because the plan is to actually turn this wig into something else. So I'm gonna be cutting apart this wig, but before I do so, I wanted to show you guys what it looks like, and perhaps you can give me some advice in the comment section as to whether or not I should cut it apart or I should let it remain as it is. If you like it, you let me know and I will keep it as is. If not, then I will just go ahead and I will dismantle this wig. All right, you guys, so this wig I've had this for about, I would say about a year since I've had this wig, and I have not, no, I have not been able to like it, you guys. It's 100% human hair. This is the packaging. It comes with 2 wig caps, and this is the bag that it came in. So I'm just going to proceed to install it and you guys can let me know what you think. Okay guys, so let's go ahead with this cap. So you guys, most of the wigs I wear, I am honestly not the one for using glue and so forth, so I've always gotten wigs that doesn't necessarily need all of that. Right, with a hook in the back. However, I had to just pull it in a little bit, so I'm just gonna tuck it in a little bit under here. Because my head is pretty small, so wigs don't actually fit my head because my head is very small. Alright you guys, so this is what the wig looks like. And I'm the headband queen, you guys, so I tend to have quite a bit of headbands, but I certainly do have a lot of leopard print. Gosh, I don't know, leopard print is my thing. So, well, I love blue and green, but I also love leopards. I think I'm an advocate for leopards, you guys. So this is what it looks like. And I will be trying them with my rainbow summer earrings. To be honest, this wig is kind of an all-rounder, but I don't know if I want to keep it this way. I think I want to just use it to do my hair otherwise. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of a touch up on the eyebrow. this time I'm using some LA color, and this one is CLG 367, and I'm just gonna use a little bit on my If I'm the only one who uses eyeshadows on my lips, please let me know. I'm going to be using a little bit of blue above my eye. I'm going to touch it in with a little bit of shimmery pink. So you guys, this is the Maybelline that I'm using, the matte poreless 334. I'm just using that to just to add a little bit of definition, because I'm not trying to do too much. Instead, I'm keeping it very, very light. And this is Bare Minerals T102, and I'm just using a little of that just dusting to smooth off. Right, you guys, I am using the eyeshadows. It's called Starry at the top right there, and it's from Rich On Cosmetics. See guys, so this is the final look for this hair. I'm not thinking of keeping it like this. I'm going to repurpose it for another use, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like before I do so. Let me just show you that. say, guys, we have come to the end of another video. Just let me know if you like this hair. If you do, I perhaps will keep it, or I may still repurpose it and buy another one like it. But I don't like the fit of it. To be honest, I think it's just a little bit too fluffy the way it is, so I am going to separate it and repurpose the hair itself, because the hair is fabulous. It feels wonderful. It's soft, it's light, but it's just too fat. It's fluffy, right? That's the thing for me. I like fluffy hair, but I think perhaps maybe it's the rooting, but I must tell you that it is well put together, because the inside of the wig, it's stitched totally together. It's enclosed, so you won't find it coming apart at any time. So it's really nice. If it's something that, you know, some persons would like a fluffy hair. Personally, I like fluffy, but I just don't like when it's just too compact. And that's the thing with this one, it's a little bit too compact. I don't know. I said I do have a lot of headbands that could wear with it, because I'm a headband girl, but I just don't want it like this. The hair is just too nice. I think I want to repurpose it for what I want it to be used for. So please leave a comment below to let me know if you like this hair and if you think I should repurpose it, you guys. Thank you so much. Please remember to hit the subscription button and the notification bell, and also to leave a comment below and a thumbs up if you like this video, and always come back for more, you guys. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, you guys.